Hey guys, what's up? It's JLBA here with another haul. A bunch of cars that I just got in, so I just kind of opened the top already, so let's just get right into it. Got this from the same place as before, Tokyo Station. Tokyo-station.ca, check them out. Great place. Alright, so first on top of the box we got the mini GTs in the plastic here. Alright, so we got the Golf Ford GT. Pretty nice. USA exclusive. Got it in Canada. And the limited edition Pandem Toyota GR. So this is super sweet. This is a cool car. There you go. So I'm just kind of showing you guys here. So these are my first two mini GTs in these packages here. And actually I've ordered a little bit more from Mini GT. So these are my first. And here's the Ford GT. This car actually looks really sweet when it's unboxed. So I'll be opening these up, and if you want to see that, let me know. I'm going to try to do a video for each one. Here's the Audi Rs Rs6. Rs6, yes. Really sweet livery. This kind of reminds me of Jon Olsen. I don't know if you guys know that, but it's a vlogger sponsored by Red Bull, and he kind of has cars with that kind of decal on it, design or whatever you want to call it. All right, this is the last one in the box. Nothing else. These are not Mini GT. These are my Tomica ones. I'm super excited for these. Super cool. The Tomica Premium Editions. Nissan Fairlady Z. And once again, I will be opening these and showing you guys a full 360 of them. So very cool. Neatly packaged. And the GTR V-Spec. Very cool. And there's the side, 1/62 scale. And then the Nissan GTR, older model. It's one of my favorite cars. It just looks so good, I think. And the design of it just looks amazing. I love the square edges and yeah, just the overall look of it. I love the old silica and this GTR, and of course the Nissan Fairlady. Like, it just looks really good. So there you go, guys. That's pretty much it. Very simple little opening here from the package in the mail. But yeah, I plan to do a little video of each of these cars. So yeah, that is all, guys. Just a simple video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.